But I went to work for a manufacturer that supplied structures to the utilities and designed them. And so I was very intrigued getting back to the woodworking and the industrial arts class than the materials and the tools like I did with the wood, the cherry wood and the coping saw, is here's a manufacturer and there's all sorts of disciplines there, all sorts of different pressures to produce the designs and the drawings according to what was sold and needed for the line design requirements. And you're in a team that has professionals, whether they be certified welding inspectors or non-destructive testing technicians or welders that are performing and really carrying out the drawings and specifications are really the will of the engineer that structurally designed this component that goes into an overall structure that satisfies its job in the overhead power line structure. And so that whole team and that whole process was really intriguing to me. So I was able to join what at the time was a small manufacturing company, which then later was an acquisition by a company called Newmark, where I was able to go to work for somebody I already knew already, but it was my first time to work for Wes Oliphant and learn, number one, learn that Wes was going to have me be what was called the general manager of the now 5th plant of Newmark. And I quickly was aware of new responsibilities, new pressures to lead a team, to be responsible for a business that had metrics, that had goals, that had a profit and loss budget. And we had everything. As a general manager, we had sales, we had HR, we had procurement, we had production, we had quality, and we had customer service. And all that responsibility, the other GMs at Newmark quickly came alongside of me and said, you're going to feel that responsibility in your gut. And it is true.
It's an interesting pressure when you have P&L responsibility or general management responsibility or you're a leader of a business. The pressure of all the people that work for you and all their families and their paycheck every day, that's a unique pressure that takes some learning on the job to get used to. And I've always seen in my career, Ken, the more that everyone in the organization can feel that pressure, the pressure that a GM or business unit manager is feeling, the stronger you make an organization,
Absolutely.
Right? If the drafter feels it and the welder feels it, and everyone has that same buy-in that my job is making everyone else's job really valuable and important to them, it really makes a business successful.